Maybe we can make base camp on the sofa. I don't really wanna leave this paradise. No, let a bottle of rosé remote control us. Baby, you and me can get lazy for the whole night. Cause every time we touch in slow motion. We ain't got to rush, got nowhere to go. Swimming in your love, as deep as the ocean. You're luxurious, straight down to the bone. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. So put your dress right back in reverse. Italian Vogue should do a feature of you right now. Baby, looking at me with the lights down in my t-shirt. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt now. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt now. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. You don't need nothing cause you're magic. I want you just the way you are. The definition of a classic. I want you just the way you are. Every time we talk, you don't need nothing cause you're magic. I want you just the way you are. The definition of a classic. I want you just the way you are. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. So put your dress right back in reverse. Italian Vogue should do a feature of you right now. Baby, looking at me with the lights down in my t-shirt. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt now. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt now. I want you just the way you are. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. The definition of a classic. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt now. I want you just the way you are. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt.
To my husband, this is it. A decade has passed, but right now I feel like it's our first date together. Like our first date together. Remember, in Samoa, wearing your skinny jeans, loose shirt, and old-fashioned shoes, thinking that you look like Daniel Padilla that way. You're always saying na kinikilig na ako sa'yo back there. Lagi ko namang tinatanggi yun. But now, this is my first time I'm going to say this.
Pwede na.
Yes, Tikilig was there. But as you all know, not just Tikilig you're giving me that day. That day, you're giving me every minute of enjoyment in my heart. Peaceful in my mind. Assurance. Protection that I needed. I know that I'm too OA about that for just first date. But all of that was true.
Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa
10 years in the making. Salamat sa pag-intindi. Lagi mong tandaan, mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita kahit anong mangyari. Palagi kong pipiliin na mahalin ka araw-araw sa hirap at ginhawa. Darating ang araw, makakamit nating dalawa yung gusto nating buhay para sa bubuhay nating pamilya at para sa sarili nating pamilya. Pangako na gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko bilang asawa mo na pasayahin ka sa mga araw-araw na malungkot ka.
palagi.
To love means commitment. Commitment. Kahit na magbago man ang inyong itsura, kahit Angelica si Mark Joseph ay wala ng buhok balang araw. Kahit Mark Joseph si Angelica ay puputi na ang kanyang buhok, kukunot na ang kanyang mga balat, ando doon pa rin yung pagmamahal dahil committed ka to love her or him.
Ingay at ng ulo, di ko pagpapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Heto tayo sa huli. babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Angelica, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark Joseph na iyong pakamabahanin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Mark Joseph, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Angelica na iyong pakamabahanin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Iyo ko sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigla.
Naalala mo yung nagbitaw ako ng pick-up line sa'yo na may isa akong gustong baguhin sa'yo? Yung apelido mo. Alam ko marami nang gumamit tsaka nagsabi niyan. Ang kaibahan ko lang, tinatoo ko. Sa wakas, kasal na tayo.
Palagi
Gusto ko ding mag-thank you sa mga magulang mo na pumayag na maging kasintahan ka. Kasi doon simula ang lahat. Kay Tito, na ngayon Daddy Isaac na. At kay Tita, na ngayon Mama Seni na. Nasa heaven na. Gusto ko ulit malaman mo na mahal kita. Tsaka mas importante ka talaga sa Dota.
we'll be together.
I'm so glad, really glad that you got to meet the person I get to spend the rest of my life with. I know that Mama is smiling down on us, proud that I married someone like you. You know, when my mama died, used to being behind the scene. But thank you for making me feel that I'm worth of being highlight of someone's life. And now, starting today and for the rest of our life, whatever happened, I vow to love you and your loved ones with all of my heart, without reservation. I vow that my I do and I will today is I don't and I won't to others. I love you, husband.